In the heart of the Middle Ages, a new era dawned for architecture, as the shadows of the Romanesque gave way to the soaring splendor of Gothic cathedrals. The year was 1130, in the bustling city of Paris, where the seeds of this architectural revolution were sown. The Abbot Suger, a powerful and visionary leader, stood before the modest church of St. Denis, yearning for a divine connection that transcended the limits of his time. Suger envisioned a cathedral that would reach towards the heavens, a symbol of man's unwavering faith and his insatiable hunger for the divine. This was not just a dream, it was a testament to human ambition and the quest for spiritual enlightenment. The journey to realize Suger's vision was fraught with challenges. The old ways of construction, heavy and laborious, seemed insufficient for the grandeur he envisioned. But Suger was undeterred, pushing the boundaries of craftsmanship and engineering to create a masterpiece. The first stone was laid in 1144, marking the beginning of a monumental undertaking. Over the next 2 centuries, the cathedral at St. Denis would undergo numerous transformations, its spires reaching ever higher, its stained glass windows casting kaleidoscopic patterns of light across its vast interior. The cathedral, a marvel of its time, was a testament to the power of human ingenuity. Its intricate stone carvings, soaring vaults, and delicate glasswork were a testament to the beauty and complexity of the human spirit. The cathedral at St. Denis was not just a building, it was a beacon of hope, a symbol of the indomitable human spirit, and a testament to the power of faith. It was a monument to the past, a symbol of the present, and a harbinger of the future. But the story of Gothic cathedrals did not end with St. Denis. This architectural revolution would spread across Europe, leaving a trail of awe-inspiring cathedrals in its wake. From the Notre Dame in Paris to the Cologne Cathedral in Germany, each structure was a testament to the enduring spirit of the Middle Ages, a time when man dared to reach for the heavens and change the world forever. The cathedrals of the Middle Ages were more than just buildings. They were a testament to the human spirit, a symbol of our eternal quest for knowledge, beauty, and the divine. They stand today as a reminder of a time when mankind, in its pursuit of the divine, created something truly extraordinary.